Good morning, children. Welcome back to maths class. Today we will continue the same chapter, that is ways to multiply and divide. And today we will do the maths workbook part. All of you open your maths workbook and chapter it is chapter number 13, ways to multiply and divide. In this maths activity workbook, till page number 86 we have done. Something was your homework and some you have to do. I have already given you. Now we have to start from question number 13, that is on page number 86. All of you open page number 86 of your maths workbook. Page number 86 of your maths workbook. Question number 13 we have to start. Okay, let's begin. Now in question number 13 it is given that fill in the wheels by dividing or multiplying the numbers in the middle with the numbers at the center. So here you have to do what you have to do. Let me zoom it. Is it visible? Okay, now let's try. Now here what you have to do, you have to multiply or divide. Now in this question what you have to divide, as divide sign is there. So what you have to do, you have to divide. What you have to divide, you have to divide the numbers given with the center number. Now let's try to do. Now here you can see divide sign is there. Now for taking the idea, you can see for this one, when we will divide 240 by 6, what we will get? 6 times 4 is 24, and what comes? 0. 40. How much it is? 40. So what is there written? 40 is written there, means the quotient is written there. Similarly, we will divide 336 by 6. What we will get? Let's divide. 6 times 6 is 36, and 6 times 1 is 6. So it is 61. Similarly, you will divide 348 by 6. So when we will divide 348 by 6, what we will get? Let's divide. 6 5s are 40, so it will not come. So what will come? 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So what will come? 30. 5s are, where it is, 5s are 30. So 4, and what will come? 8. 6 8s are 48. So 6 8 times is 48. So what will come? 40. 50. Now what is here? 58. So what we will write here? 58 we will write here. Here it was 61. Now similarly we will divide 186 by 6. We will write the answer here. When we have divided 630 by 6, we got the answer 505. Similarly, we will divide 1242 by 62 and we will get the answer. Similarly, this will divide, and this will divide, and we will write the answers in this portion given. Is it clear? You have to do this question yourself. Now, the next one is given to you. In this case, what you have to do, you have to multiply. As the multiplication sign is there in the center, you have to multiply. Now you can see here 7 multiplied by 5 is 35, and the answer is written here. 7 multiplied by 8 is 56, and answer written here. Similarly, 7 multiplied by 3 will be 21, we will write here. Similarly, 7 multiplied by 9, 63, we will write here. 7 multiplied by 12, or 12 multiplied 7, 84, we will write here. Okay. Similarly, you have to do other also. 13 sevens are 91, you will write here. 17 multiplied 7, you will write here. 7 multiplied by 14, you will write here. You have to fill all the blanks like this only. Is it clear? Now the next one is two more parts are given. In this part you have to divide. you have to divide these numbers by 4. These all numbers you have to divide by 4 and write the answers in the given columns. Here in the same way you have to divide by 9. All the numbers like 540, these numbers given outside, these outside numbers you have to divide by 9. Whatever you will get, you will write here in the outer boxes. Is it okay? Means you have to take the numbers like 440, 495 you will take and divide that by 9. Whatever the answer or whatever the quotient you will get, you will write it here. So you have to try these questions yourself. Now this question number 14 on page number 87. Here in this question you can see that you have to multiply, and in this case you have to divide. You have to multiply and in this case you have to divide. When you will multiply 735 by 3, what we will get? Let's see. 5 multiplied by 3, 15, 5 carry 1, 3 multiplied by 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 carry 1, 7 multiplied by 3, 21 and plus 1, 22. What we will get? We get 2205. Now in this case, let's see. We'll erase it first. Now here in this case you can see that in the other one you have to divide 2500 by 5. Whenever you will divide 25 by 5, what you will get? Let's see. Now 2500 divided by 5, 5 multiply 5, 25 00, 500. What we get? We get 500. Now you have to tell which sign will come. Which one is greater? This one or this one? This one or this one? This one is greater. So we will put this type sign. Okay? Greater than sign will put. Similarly, in this one also, in the next one also, you have to solve and then find out. Means 25 divided by 25, what will come? 25 will come. Similarly, 4 multiplied by 3, 12. So which is greater? This is greater. You will put sign like this. In the next one, first of all, you will solve the bracket. Whatever is there inside the bracket, you have to solve that thing first. So 14 divided by 7, what will come? 2 will come, and 2 multiplied by 8, it will be 16. In this one, 6 minus 3 is 3, and 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Which one is correct? No. 6 multiplied by 2, 4. And 4 multiplied by 4, 16. So what will come? 16 and 16. So both are equal. We will put equals to sign. Similarly, you have to do the fourth one also. Means you have to first solve and then see which one is greater and which one is smaller. Now question number 15. Complete the number tree given below and find the missing number. Here in this you have to complete this tree. It's very easy. You just have to follow the instruction. Whatever instructions are given, you have to do according to that only. Okay. Now in the first one you can see 75 multiply by 3 means you will multiply 75 by 3 and whatever the answer you will get, you will write here. If we will multiply these, we will get 225. You can divide it also. So we will get 225. Now this side, yellow color I'll take. Now 75 multiply by 6. 75 multiply by 6. Whatever answer is will we get? So now 0 carry 3, 6 7s are 42, 43, 44, 45, 450. So what will come in place of C? 450. Now 450 multiply by 2. What we will get? We will get 900. Similarly, 225 multiplied by 4. What is the answer? 900. So only one times we will write 900. So in place of B, what will come? 900. Now 900 divided by 12. When we will divide 900 by 12, what we will get? We will get 75. So in place of D, we will write 75. Now 75 multiplied by 24. Whatever you will get, you will write it here, and whatever will be the answer here, you will divide that answer by 8, and whatever will be the answer, you will write the answer here. Means you just have to follow the instructions and solve this tree. Fill this all the blanks in the tree. Okay, one more is given to you. One more is this given to you. You have to do this thing also. Here it's similar like that only. 56 multiplied by 2, you will fill in the A block. Now 56 divided by 7, you will fill in the C block. Then whatever the answer will come in C block, you will multiply by the 14 and write in the B block. Similarly, all the steps you have to follow and complete the tree given. Is it clear? Now some questions are also there in this one, page number 87. What problems are there? Mohit can read 150 pages of a book in one day. How many pages can he read in a month of October? You have to find. Now in the month of October, in month of October, how many days are there? 30 days are there in the month of October, and in one day he is reading 150 pages. So in whole month, how many pages he will read? So what you have to do, you have to just multiply these two numbers and you will get the answer. So what you will get? 7500. 7500 pages he will read in the month of October. Children, we have done a lot of practice of this word problems, so I think you will not face any problem in these word problems, and you know how to make sentences of all these, and you have to do all these yourself. First of all, what you will write? Book read in one day. Okay, then book read in one day is how? 150 pages. Then book read in the month of October, then you will write 30 multiplied by 150, then you will write the answer like this. Okay, means with statement you have to do this. Next is B part. The product of two numbers is 22512, 22,512. Product of two. Product means what? Multiplication. Multiplication of two numbers is 2. Let's suppose that two numbers A and B are there. There are two numbers, we don't know the numbers, so we are writing A and B. So product of these two numbers is 2, 2, 5, 1 and 2. Now one of them is 112, and it is said that one of these numbers, means it may be A or B, one of them is 112. So I'll write A as 112 and B as it is. So it is 2, 2, 5, 1, 2. Okay, so what will be the number? You have to find the value of B. So what you will do? B is equals to, as these two are in multiplication, when this 112 go this side of equals to, it will go in division. So it will be 2, 2, 5, 1, 2 divided by 112. When you will divide this by 112, you will get the value of B. Is it clear? So this way you have to do. Next one is the C part. Kamini works in a company. Her per day salary is 1105. How much will she earn in 5 months and 30 days? So you have to find the salary of 5 months and 30 days. So 5 months means how many days? 5 into 30, it will be 150 days, and plus 30, it will be 180. So you have to find the salary for 180 days. So how you will do? Per day is 1105. So 1105 multiplied by 180, you will get the salary for 5 months and 30 days. So with the what problems? I think you know how to write the statement. So you should write the statement first and then solve the questions in your maths notebook. So all these questions of these word problems you have to do in your maths notebook. Now similarly, question number part D, E, F, G, H, all the parts you have to do yourself, okay, because we have done a lot of practice of these word problems. So it's for you, these are your homework, you have to do these. Is it clear? So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Sai Ram.